y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I had to take a break and just, you know, sometimes you just need a break. But anywho, so today I am going to finally detox my locks because I'm going to be at my 2-year mark, like literally next week on the 23rd. Today is the 16th. And I want to just get this out the way because I'm not going to have time to record videos and do all of that, deal with my hair next week. So I'm going to do it now. And I'm also going to do a 2-year update slideshow. So this whole process is going to be broken down to 3 videos. It's going to be my detox, my retwist, and just talking about my 2nd year. And the last one is going to be the slideshow. So, yeah, I'm just going to start going through this process.
Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
I was actually supposed to post a video last week, but I had caught the flu, y'all, and they just threw off my whole little schedule. I was going to do 2 videos. But I did upload a short of one of the videos I was going to do because I had some issues with that video. It's a long story, but I turned it into a short. I did my Christmas tree. I hope y'all like it. But the detox I'm going to be using, see, most people do, I've been seeing people do like the baking soda, apple cider vinegar, da-da-da-da-da. I'm not going to do that. I decided to try this Locs Sanity Loc Detox. It has rose water, peppermint. Yeah, rose water and peppermint. They have some other ones too, but I can't remember what they had in it. But this is the one I really wanted to go with. The other one I think was like a chocolate or something. But I did have an inflatable sink for locks. It really do say inflatable sink for locks. It's made by Circuit Air, and I got it from Amazon. So we finna see. I know I gotta blow it up. I started to find one with a pump, so I ain't gotta go through all that. But I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna even be like it. But I'm gonna do most of this process in the kitchen, like on that sink, so I got more space. Yeah. They even have like a care card in here. I love when people do this. I made sure that I read over it. And they have a note in here that said they are a small-owned business and they're passionate about making life easier and hopefully no more bending over the kitchen sink to soak your locks. So I thought that's so sweet. There it is. All right. I really wish I had a pump, y'all. I'm so serious. But it is what it is. I'm gonna start blowing this up. And yeah. I'm gonna use this because I ain't got time. Like, I don't. It's working. I decided to just go and come in here because, yeah, I need some more space. I had to go look up a tutorial on how to properly blow this up, so I had to like squeeze the tip and stuff, but I'm almost done. I'm almost done blowing it up. It's taking me a while because it's a lot. It's a lot of air, y'all. It's taking a lot out of me. I got it blown up. Now I'm about to add in my water. So yeah. All right, put my water in. Gonna let that fill up. My water's not hot. It's like in between. It's like, oops. It's like lukewarm water. All right, so I got my stuff together. Got my water. I really feel my water up too high and it starts spilling over. So I would advise you, like, if it has like a pillow part in there, make sure it's below the pillow. I didn't think that far, and so I had to pour some water out and some of it fell on the floor. But ew, it's my detox. Oh, it smells good. It smells exactly. I smell the rose water and I smell the peppermint. It smells good though. All right, so the directions say that I need to get 3 tablespoons. I need to use between 1 to 3 tablespoons depending on the thickness and the length of my locks. My locks are not that long, but they are thick, so I'm going to use 3 tablespoons. This is my tablespoon. This is my stuffy stuff. That's 1. Okay. Alright. Splashing everywhere. Okay. About to put my 2nd tablespoon in. I think that's too much, but oh yeah. Okay. I'm getting somewhere. Oops. I got it on my pillow. Child. I be doing too much sometimes. Okay, and this is my last tablespoon. Y'all, it smells so good. Like, I really do love the smell of this stuff. Alright. And also they say you can add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar if you want to give it a boost. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, this is the ACV. It ain't do nothing. Interesting. My hair, y'all. It's rough. It's time. It's time. See what? Look at that. It's rough. So I gotta let it sit in here for like 15 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna do like 15. See how the water look. If it looks dirty, I'm gonna get it out and put some more back in. It's so high. I think I should have put this in my bathroom since the counter is lower, cause then I would have been able to submerge like my. I don't know. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure all this out. So I'm gonna do 15 minutes and I'm gonna come holler at y'all after them 15 minutes. But I think all my locks are in. I feel like it is. Okay. So I forgot to like show the water. I think I showed the water like before. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back and look, but look at this, we're doing it. And okay, so hold on. Put those back in there. Forgot about those. But what I did was pulled the sink thingy more closer to the edge of the counter, and it is a little bit more comfortable once I do that, and I was able to get my head in a little bit more. But I'm gonna have to probably pull it to the edge if I do this again. And from the looks of it, I think I am gonna do it twice. But we're gonna see what it looks like when it's 15 minutes up. I really would have wished I would have paid more close attention to it before the 15 minutes was up. My 15 minutes are up. I'm about to squeeze the stuff out my hair and let you see the result. Okay, here it is. For 2 years, not so shabby, but I'm still going to do round two to make sure I get everything, because yeah, my locks are so heavy. All that growth though. It's been a good 2 years, huh? I'm about to start round two, and this is what the water looks like with the detox stuff and the vinegar in it, so it's ready to go. I'm halfway finished with the second round, I mean, and I could tell that the first round really did clean my locks, because it's not nearly as nasty as it was the first round, so that's good. The water is pretty much kind of clear compared to the first round, so that is wonderful. It's doing its thing. It's doing what it's supposed to do. This is gonna be my last round. I'm not doing the third because I really need to wash my hair, and I gotta retwist tonight too, so yeah. So round two, my timer just went off. Now I'm about to get myself together, because yeah, that water is not nearly as dirty as it was during the first round. There we go. Not too bad. The detoxing my locks were fun. I would definitely be doing it again. Now I'm about to jump in the shower and actually wash my hair so I can get my scalp, because I'm gonna show you the back too. This is the front. Locks looking clean. Close up. Okay, getting somewhere. So that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you can know every time me, your girl, the Curl Maverick, uploads a new video. And until next time, I'm gonna see y'all later.